Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried designing on Figma and you've wondered how your fonts aren't showing up, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly install fonts and get them working in your Figma project. First thing first, head over to Figma's website, that is figma.com/downloads. Scroll down and look for install fonts section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the install font button. This will download Figma Font Helper. It is a small app that allows your local font to show up in Figma. Once the download is complete, just install it like any other app. Then the next thing, you need to download the actual font you want to use. You can grab them from sites like Google Font or DaFont. Once you have downloaded your font file, go ahead and install them on your computer. So I'm just installing them on my computer. Now go back to Figma, open any design file, and your newly installed font will now appear in the font download. But if it doesn't appear, you need to restart Figma. So you're going to close your Figma and restart it. It is just the troubleshooting stage. So once you restart, that's all. Then go back to your fonts and check for that font you have installed earlier on. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe for more design tips, and drop a comment if you have any question. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.